What's going on out here? I heard a crack and pop at 9:30 at night. Oh, the bats are coming. It's bat time. Yeah, and I heard a sound. Oh, there's another. See those bats up there? They're flying in from Bat City. It's hard to catch them on this phone, but there's a lot of bats out there. Oh, there's some more coming there. Wow. Yeah, it's bat time. There's one up there too, circling. Anyway, guys, I got myself a headlight recently for these night adventures. It just got dark. It's like I said, only just past 9 p.m. and I thought I heard someone out here in the forest. That's my neighbour's pine tree, which goes forever and ever. So I don't know what I heard. Interesting. Yeah. Kim said, "Huh? What was that?" I don't know, I said. I'll go and investigate. It's getting windy. I'll be making a few of these nighttime videos towards the end of summer. But tonight's one is a bit of a test. Yeah. Check out the headlight. Hey you, I see you. Where are you going? There you go. Hey guys. Yeah. Just having fun. Fun. Anyway, that was a false alarm. I don't see anything. It's probably a possum. There's the cherry moya at night with all its flowers, which do me no good at all. Right? Look at them. Useless. Not one. It's been exactly 5 weeks since they first came, and in 5 weeks not one flower has been pollinated. Not one. Anyway, it's alright. We go with the flow, right? Anyone want an orange? We can't eat them all. It's a struggle. So, oh, there's an owl. A fake owl. Okay. Pomelos. The sooks all sleeping there under the subel, white sapote. Night sooks. Night sooks. There's quite a few of them now. I hope I can fit them in a greenhouse come April. That'll be a big test. Oops, I feel spiders. Ooh, what's that banging sound? Fireworks. Wow, there's fireworks. There's a lychee. Looking pretty healthy. It's got new growth coming, which is always welcome. Yeah, so that were fireworks we heard. So it was a false alarm. There's the Wampy seedlings. Yeah, there's spider webs crawling around my body. The spiders are out weaving their webs. But that's right. I just finished working in the garden like 20 minutes ago. So I'm ready to go and have a shower. Oh, hard to see where I'm going. There's the what's it called? The ice cream bean, which has not flowered yet. First time it hasn't flowered in 5 years or thereabouts. So I don't know what's going on with the ice cream bean tree. Yeah, there's the African pride, which has only been in the ground now for a couple of weeks. Took over the place of the lamb has. Alright guys, that was just a test. Ooh. Boo, scary out here at night. Ooh. You guys scared? There's the house up there. There's the pink guava stuff fruit, yep. And the jaboticaba, which is flowering like heck, or it was a couple of days ago. Let's see if it's still flowering. Yep, there you are. Look at that. Nice. It's all happening out there now. Now there's police sirens and ambulances and fireworks and all kinds of stuff going on. Yeah, so we're gonna be busy. Bugs are falling on me. We're gonna be busy, guys. Oh, I stopped. Over the next few weeks before the cold arrives in April. April is when the party's over. Alright guys. Ooh. That's the house. The taro. Oh, and over and out. Bye bye now. Yeah, we had a great day at the beach. Very, very nice. There's the what is it now? 2, 4, 6 meter native Australian tamarin. Alright guys, bye bye.